First thing I should say about a 401k is if you're not sure about any part of it, you should ask a professional. A financial planner will be able to tell you if you're eligible to contribute or if you're eligible to receive tax benefits. There's some limits to how much you can contribute to a 401k or what tax benefits you can get from it. And if you're not sure about what benefits are applicable to you or if you're even eligible to have a 401k, a financial professional such as a tax advisor or a financial planner would be a good person to talk to. That said, here's some information about a 401k. A 401k is a type of retirement account that is offered by your employer. It's different than, say, an IRA, which is a type of retirement account that you would set up for yourself. Not all companies offer 401ks for their employees. Usually small businesses, mom and pop stores don't offer 401ks because they're expensive to manage and maintain for a business. But a large company, say Microsoft, would have a 401k for their employees. Now the contributions to a 401k come from the employee's salary. So that would come from your salary as the employee. You can choose to deduct a certain percentage of your salary. So for example, if you make $100,000 a year, you can choose to contribute 5% of your salary, which would equate to $5,000 a year. So the company will take that amount out of your paycheck and deposit it into a 401k, which will be managed by some investment company. Many companies, although not all, offer a matching bonus if you contribute to your 401k. And so what that means is that if you choose to contribute a certain percentage of your income, your company might offer to contribute, in addition to your contributions, an extra bonus. So a common type of matching program from a company would be 50% of the first 6% match, which means if you contribute a certain amount, say 6% of your income, then the company will match 50% of that and deposit that as an extra to your account. So it works like this. Let's say your company offers a 50% of the first 6% match program for their 401k. And let's say, to make the math easy, you make $100,000 in a particular year. And so you choose to deposit 6% of your income into your 401k, and so that would be $6,000 for the year. Your company offers to match that 6%. Well, they'll match 50% of that 6%, which would be an additional $3,000 into your retirement account, getting a total of $9,000 deposited into your retirement account, your 401k, for the year. There are some limits to how much you can contribute to a 401k. In 2016, the limit is $18,000. And if you are over 50 years old, you get an extra bonus that you can contribute. It's called a catch-up contribution of $6,000. They change those limits every year. So next year it might not be $18,000 and a $6,000 catch-up. It could be 20, or it could be 18,500, or it could be less. So check the limits before you make any contributions, because you definitely don't want to go over the limits if you can help it. One of the biggest benefits that you can get from a 401k is deferred taxes. And so what happens with that is the money that you deposit into your 401k is what's called tax deferred. So if you contribute $10,000 to your 401k, you can use that money as your retirement account, but that doesn't count as your current income for the year. So for example, if you made $100,000 in a year and you contributed $10,000 to your 401k, you could say that that $10,000 has deferred taxes, and so you would pay income tax on $90,000, would be your $100,000 minus the $10,000 you contributed, and you would pay taxes on that $10,000 in the future when you go to withdraw from a 401k. If you're not eligible for a 401k, another type of retirement account would be an IRA, or if you're self-employed, something called a SEP IRA. If you're not sure about which retirement account is best for you, you should consult a financial planner, or you should talk to any kind of tax professional that can help you determine which is best for you. Now, there are a bunch of things I did not go over in this video, So don't make any decisions based solely on the information provided here. You should definitely talk to a financial planner or a CPA before making any financial decisions to make sure there's not anything that you're missing.
And as always, thanks for watching 5 Minute Finance, brought to you by Arbogast Advisors.